I don't know if it's already animated, but according to the manga and the information that I got about this one, the free spinning part of the blade, I think it deflects the attack of the different Beyblades. Yeah, the attack of the different Beyblades. So that's the reason why it's a little bit higher. That's why it has a 380. But it's also good because it's only 3. Because I think for the worst ratchet that I know right now is the 2. Whether it's 260, 270, or 280, yeah, it's very not so good because it has a bigger contact points. Even it has 2 contact points, but it's very wide. Not like with 3, which is a little bit smaller. Okay, and then it's what is this one? It's bit. No, now I forgot again what's the bit, but it's FB. It's like a taper. I don't know. It's what? I don't know. It's called. Is it a flash?